From this video, you will get tips to prepare for SC-500 Microsoft Certified Cloud and AI Security Engineer Associate. What is Microsoft Certified Cloud and AI Security Engineer Associate? Who should take the SC-500 exam? SC-500 replaces AZ-500. What candidates should know? Key skills measured in the Microsoft SC-500 exam. Best preparation strategies for Microsoft SC-500 exam. 1. You need to provide temporary privileged access to Azure resources while minimizing standing administrative permissions. Which Microsoft Entra feature should you implement? A. Conditional access. B. Privileged identity management, PIM. C. Azure policy. D. Managed identity. Answer B. 2. A security engineer wants to require MFA only when users access sensitive applications from unmanaged devices. Which solution should be used? A. Azure Firewall. B. Azure Policy. C. Conditional Access. D. Defender for Cloud. Answer C. 3. A company wants to enforce security standards across all Azure subscriptions and prevent non-compliant resource deployments. What should be implemented? A. Azure Policy. B. Network Security Groups. C. Azure Bastion. D. Application Gateway. Answer A. 4. You need to secure access to an Azure storage account from specific networks only. Which feature should you configure? A. Resource locks. B. Storage firewall rules. C. Azure backup. D. Azure Arc. Answer B. 5. A security operations team wants Microsoft Sentinel to automatically trigger remediation actions when a high-severity incident is detected. Which Sentinel feature should they use? A. Data collection rules. B. Content Hub. C. Automation rules and playbooks. D. Workbook templates. Answer C. 6. Which feature helps protect Azure virtual machines by allowing management access only when needed? A. Azure Bastion. B. Just-in-time, JIT, VM access. C. Azure Policy. D. Application Insights. Answer B. 7. Which service provides centralized security monitoring, threat detection, and incident investigation capabilities? A. Microsoft Sentinel. B. Azure Load Balancer. C. Azure Storage Explorer. D. Azure Automation. Answer A. 8. What is the primary purpose of Microsoft Security Copilot? A. Replace Microsoft Sentinel. B. Manage Azure subscriptions. C. Use generative AI to assist security operations and investigations. D. Configure network routing. Answer C. 9. A security engineer wants to prevent unauthorized users from deleting critical Azure resources. What should be configured? A. Network security groups. B. Resource locks. C. Conditional access policies. D. Azure firewall rules. Answer B. 10. Which Microsoft Entra feature allows Azure resources to authenticate securely to other Azure services without storing credentials in application code? A. Managed identities. B. Conditional access. C. Privileged identity management. D. Self-service password reset. Answer A. Subscribe and like past question.